Eid is around the corner, and what best could it be to serve the traditional sheer Khurma on the day of Eid? So we thought we would share the recipe with you. Hi, this is Hafsa bringing you sheer Khurma, licks and bite style. This is a classic recipe and we have kept it more rustic, be it the ingredients or adapting to simplicity. Ideally, the milk is boiled and reduced to half, savory added, garnished with dry fruits and nuts. Isn't this recipe so simple and worthy of Eid? Let's bring the milk to a boil and let it reduce to half until it gets thick. I shall be making sheer Khurma to make 6 generous servings today, for which I shall be using 1.5 liters of milk. For the ingredients, we will be using dry fruits and nuts. Badam or almonds 8 to 10, cashews 8 to 10, pistachios 12 to 15, fresh pitted dates 5 to 6, 25 to 30 grams of raisins. And the most important ingredient, which is a must for this recipe, is the dried dates. And we shall also be using copra or the dried coconut. Although the range of dried fruits and nuts is your choice, we shall be sticking to the basic ones today. The range of nuts which can further be added to this recipe are walnuts, pine nuts, makhana or fox nuts, chironji or charoli seeds. With these quantities of nuts being used, I am sure every serving is going to have enough of it. No chopping, no slicing. After all, it's Eid, folks. Enjoy sheer Khurma royally with a bounty of nuts. To begin with, we shall soak in 4 to 5 dried dates in water overnight. Similarly, we shall soak in dried coconut too. Let's slice the soaked dried dates into fine strips. Let's slice in the dried coconuts soaked in water too. Okay, let me share with you the secret of this recipe today. Ideally, it is not part of the traditional recipe, but to make it more creamy, we shall be doing 2 things today. First is the almond cashew paste. Separately, let's soak in 6 to 8 almonds and cashews each, which we shall grind it to a fine paste. Secondly, the shortcut to thicken our milk faster is to use couple of tablespoons of milk powder. To begin with our recipe, desi ghee 2 tablespoons goes in first. Three to 4 cardamom to flavor the milk. The nuts to follow next. The fresh pitted dates. Let's fry the nuts in ghee until they get crunchy. It might take about 5 to 7 minutes. Folks, if you have been enjoying this recipe, hit in the subscribe button to see more of our recipes as and when we post. It's time now to add our sevai or the fine roasted vermicelli. Let's fry it for 3 to 4 minutes until it is slightly brown. Don't overdo it, it might give you a burnt flavor. We are not cooking noodles today. Sheer khurma is best when sevai is short, so try to break it if they are long. In goes the reduced milk. It's now time to add the soaked dates. Followed by the soaked dried coconut pieces. Raisins will go in next. Followed by a couple of tablespoons of milk powder. Stir in time to time to get the ingredients blended well. We shall now add in our secret ingredient, almond cashew paste. This will enhance the taste and help in thickening the milk. Once the milk starts to thicken, let's add in half a cup of sugar to sweeten the milk. Again, it's up to you to adjust the quantity as per your sweet requirements. You may use condensed milk to substitute sugar, which may enhance the flavor. I'm using sugar as I like to keep it simple with sugar and milk, as I've used milk powder already. Cover the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the color of the milk changes to a lighter brown color. The color of the recipe is one major key to success. Let's open the lid and see if it's done. Okay, we have reached there. Our sheer khurma is ready to be served. Sheer khurma can be served warm or chill. If served warm, it should be immediately served when it is light. If served chill, the thickness of the milk and other ingredients will add to flavor. Hope you enjoyed our sheer khurma recipe. We are trying to bring you the best of what we know for you to enjoy. We request you to like and share the recipe on this occasion of Eid to spread happiness. After all, sheer khurma is to be shared. Eid Mubarak from Hafsa and the team of Licks and Bites. Inshallah, see you soon.